The first step in scheduling a student is checking the enrollment in your sections. This allows you to place new students in sections with fewer students so you can keep those numbers around the same for each of your sections. To check enrollment number in your sections, you need to check the section master. To locate the section master, you click on Office. You find Current Scheduling. If it's not open, you can click it to open the drop-down menu. You want to find Build Course Master, the same as above. If it's not open, you click it to open the drop-down menu. And then you want to actually click on Section Master, loading the sections for each course you offer at your school. The next step is find the grade levels for the students you're scheduling. For this example, I'm going to schedule for a third grade student right here between these A and B sections. Each of the student enrollment numbers is broken down by 6 weeks. At the top of each column, you see T1 through T6. That is for each one of our 6 weeks. Since we're in the first 6 weeks, I'm looking at the T1 column right here. And I noticed that in section A, there are 24 students. And in section B, there are 20 students. So I'm going to schedule this student in the section B courses to keep the numbers close to the same. Now that you have decided what section to use for your new student schedule, the next step is to schedule the student into those sections or classes. To do that, you need to go to click Students, find Students. If it's not open, click the drop-down. Click on Student Profile to open the Student Profile screen. In the student field at the top of the screen, start typing the student's Skyward ID. Remember, the Skyward ID is the first 5 letters of their last name and the first 3 letters of their first name. Look in the left-hand menu for scheduling. If the menu is not open, click it to open the drop-down menu. Click on Current to open the student's current schedule, which should be empty because they have not been scheduled into any classes yet. The scheduling buttons are now visible on the right-hand side of the screen. We want to add a course, so we are going to click Add Course. To make scheduling easier, we are going to filter our results to grade level and section we want. Using the filter funnel, we're going to enter the grade and section. For this example, it is 3B8, and click Apply to set up the filter. Remember, you must match what you type in the filter to your sections. If your sections are 3B8, you need to type in 3B8. If they are a number, you need to type in 01 or 02 to match. To add a course to the student's schedule, highlight the course, click Schedule Class. This adds the class to the student's schedule. Continue highlighting all the courses you want to add to the student's schedule and clicking Schedule Class until all classes are added to the schedule.